I could sleep in a comfortable bed. I decided to sleep in a sink. Roxy wants to eat her. Roxy!
You have very big frickin' legs, man. Oh, I didn't mean to.
Buster, don't squeak, okay? Fine, squeak. Jeez.
I'm a cat, most fuzzy first place. If you try to pick me up, I will squat you in the face.
So you're all ready for school, and then you realize there's a cat in your bag.
Dude, this cat totally stole your idea on Vine. Dude, watch. Yeah.
He runs like a freaking. What?
On top of there. We'll just hold it up there.
It's time to eat. Oh, Kitty, I love you so much, beautiful cat. You're so perfect. Hello. Oh. What are you doing there? Okay, all right. Okay.
Nicholas McGallis, TMZ, who are you partying with in the Hamptons this weekend? Who are you partying with?
Can you give me a thumbs up, Jimmy?
Cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out.
Y'all thought y'all's cat was rude. Hold up, meet Nicki Minaj. Nicki. Oh, damn, girl. Oh.
Whoa, where you going? Good looking? I don't know you, but do you want to go on a date?
Come here, kitty.
Well,
May I ask what you're doing? Could you please explain to me this for a second? I don't...
We're all out of chicken. Go get the cat. That was some good cat.
What kind of shampoo do you use? I mean, seriously.
I mean, it smells really good. Oh my goodness, is it?
Does anyone else's cats do this? My cat loves me. Don't you?
Raven, get off the scale. I told you you're beautiful. I don't care. I don't care if you gain a little weight, Raven.
Meet my cat, Vinny. Vinny is weird.
Want to make your cat walk funny? Grab some lint roller tape.
When I wake up in the morning, I like to take a big stretch.
What are you doing?
What? How are you doing this?
How to tell when your cat's eating too much.
You full, buddy?
My cat is so clingy.
When it is really cold outside and you two pour for a hat, use your cat.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
As you can see, the kitty is resting in its natural habitat.
Meow? Yeah. Meow.
Helicopter cat. Meow. Helicopter cat. Meow.
Charlie.
Patty cake, patty cake, baker's man, bake me a cake as fast as you.
Oh my gosh. Look at the cat.
Why the fuck is she sitting like this though? The fuck? Ooh.
Oh, I just wanted to give you a high five.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Leave me alone, cat. Quit following me, cat. Leave me alone, cat. Just get the hell away from me.
I solemnly swear that I will be the best kitty ever.
I solemnly swear I'll be the best kitty ever.
Go.
Winter is here. Have you ever been cold? Then buy the scarf of a cat. You like it, Punya?
Twerk, twerk, twerk. Tinkerbell twerk.
Oh, God's sake.
Cackle.
Right. You do?
Bang! Bang! We just gave my cat a haircut. You look like a lion, Puffy. You're a lion.
I like his hairstyle.
Puffy.
handshake?
Let's see what I can do.
Oh, look at the penguin!
Taking Kitty for a walk. Come on, Kitty.
Cat bed. Does the cat use it? No way. Hanging out under the couch 24/7. Cat life.
Seems to me like there's too much cat in these parts. One of us is gonna have to leave.
Can you give me a high five? High five. High five.
Cat tortilla. Cat burrito.
Cat chase! 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 Cat chase!
How to teach a cat to box, part 2.
And boo! Hey, wait, where'd he go? God! What? Huh? What? Hmm? Alright, chill out.
Estoy bien, solamente me castigaron por ahuevao.
Sometimes I feel like I'm being watched.
Gotta check the mail. What the heck?
Hi, baby. Oh my god! Ow, you little brat!
He loves playing fetch. Ready? Go get it. Thank you. Good.
Peekaboo. Okay then. Gosh, man. Oh, look at you. You're so cute.
There's a cat on the car. Hi, kitty. Oh, rude.
Dude, where are your glasses?
One of those drawers over there.
Oh, okay. Oh my god.
Every day. Whoa, hey, get out of here. I want some.
Ooh, I'm about to die. I mean, you ain't have to slap the phone out of my hands, though. Like, that was so unnecessary.
Batcat, there's a robbery going on.
3, 2, 1, dance.
gorgeous.
Try again, Lucy.
Can I ask you a question, Harry? Wait, can I ask you?
You never do what I want you to.
I said no. Not every box is for you. No. Let's see you get it now. Huh?
How?
Alrighty then. Sorry about your wait. So you say your owner abuses you? Mm-hmm.
This is how to make a cat change colour. Hello, little kitty kitty.
You're such a nice cat.
Hey Orange, what's your favorite color? Mine's brown. No, mine's brown.
Oh my goodness, these paws are so soft. I want to hug you.
My name is Bozoon. I hear there's a new cat section on Vine. I plan to take it over.
Look, it's a kitty. Ow.
Food time.
That's a good one, too.
You're not a dog! What are you doing?
Teach him a lesson.
Goodbye.
Boo Boo, why do you put yourself on timeout? You didn't do anything.
Let's play the Twilight game. Bella was in the vampire in Twilight. That's Breaking Dawn.
Bubba's in a sticky situation here. What are you gonna do? No, don't do it! Oh God, you okay?
My cat ate my homework.
Really? You don't say.
Ever have that feeling where you just want to roll around with a cat?
Come here.
Come here!
Kitty, you're so weird.
What are you doing? This is called cat logic. Want to come in? No, didn't think so.
You're my best friend, right? Because you're kind of giving me mixed sick.
Oh hey man, don't start this again. Why, are you in a bad meowed?
Oh, puns.
Let's hiss and make up.
Vinny. Vinny, what is that? What is that? A popsicle stick! Say hi to everybody!
Let's see what we find over here.
Kitty, kitty. Ah!
Let's play who has the cutest kitty. I think I win. Isn't that right?